video tutorial, we will see how to print number triangle pattern. Let's quickly move to Visual Studio Code. We can see here, in the beginning of every line, there are space characters which are gradually increasing line by line from 0 to 4, and those spaces are appended with number character. Number characters are gradually decreasing from 5 to 1 line by line. In the first line, there are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 number character. In the second line, 4, 3, 2, 1. In the third line, 3, 2, 1. In the fourth line, 2, 1. And in the fifth line, only 1. Along with every number, a space character is appended. Let's type code to print this pattern. This is our triangle.py file. Declare and initialize a variable with 0. Let's say I is equal to 0. We are going to use while loop here. While I less than 5. 5 is the required number of iteration. At the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. So our I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. At the end of fifth iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5, condition false, and our iteration will stop here. We are going to use a inner while loop here with a variable j. J is equal to 0 while starting with j less than. In the first line, there are 5 characters, 5 minus I. The 5 characters which are gradually decreasing line by line, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That decrement we can achieve by subtracting I from 5. So here for the first iteration, j value is 0 less than 5 minus I value is 0. 5 minus 0, which is going to give us 5. At the end of every iteration, for the inner while loop, we are going to increase j value by 1. So for the next iteration, j value will become 5. I value will remain as it is. J value will become 2. I value will remain as it is. J value will become 3. I value will remain as it is. J value will increase and I value will remain as it is. We are going to get the 5 iterations for inner while loop. At the end of 5th iteration, j value will become 5. 5 less than 5, condition false, and our iteration will stop here. Now inner while loop iteration has stopped. It will come out from this inner while loop and I value will increase from 0 to 1. J for the inner while loop, j value is 0 less than 5 minus 1, which is going to give us 4. Then 1 less than 4, 2 less than 4, 3 less than 4, 4 less than 4. We are going to get here 4 iteration. At the end of fourth iteration, j value will become 4. 4 less than 4, condition false, and our iteration will stop here. Similarly, it is going to complete iteration for remaining I values. Here, in the beginning of every line, there are space characters. Let's print those space characters first. Space. Number of spaces are gradually increasing from 0 to 5 that we can achieve by using I, and after space character we need the number character. So in the same line, though in the first line there is no space character, but in the same line we want number character. So for that we can use this AND parameter which is given in the print method to print the next print statement in the same line. Now let's print the value. Print 5 minus j number character contains one space character. So in the first line we are going to get 5, then space in the same line 4, space in the same line 3, space in the same line 2, space in the same line 1, space. Now to end this line and to begin the next iteration from the next line, we need a print statement without any value which contains an implicit enter. So let's run this pytriangle.py file in the terminal. This is our required triangle pattern. In the next video we will see another type of number triangle pattern.